Today, the company renowned for the famous Footner exfoliating socks is launching 2 unique new products to keep feet healthy and happy. New Footner Cool Active Massager, the rollable foot massager which dispenses cooling foam at the same time. And here's podiatrist Dr. Tariq to tell you all you need to know.
There's lots of foot creams and massagers currently available on the market. The difference with the product we're talking about today, it's a combination of both. Patients in my clinic who would like to use something which is convenient and easy for them. Often what I will ask them to do is get something like a can of cola and put it in the fridge or freezer so it would cool. They can then roll it onto the sole of their feet, which will help to take and relieve pressure and pain. Here, the product we're talking about today is a rollable with a cooling foam released from it. So the patient would generally shake it, apply, and then roll onto the sole of their foot. And this would leave a cooling sensation after it's applied. Clinical studies have demonstrated that this product can reduce temperature by 24% after one application. There are times in the year this is very beneficial, especially the summer. In the summertime, where your feet are housed in flip-flops and unsupported shoes like sandals, it causes them to get very hot by the end of the day. So using a preparation like this will help to cool the feet down with an immediate effect.
New Nailner Treat and Colour. Now you can treat damaged nails and colour at the same time.
Nails are damaged because of the way that they're housed in the shoe and the amount of trauma applied to them in everyday walking. The surface of the nail starts to get irritated in the shoe and small micro fissures occur on the nail surface. This leads it to open to the environment it's in. Of course, being in an area like an enclosed shoe, heat and sweat build up and fungi are present. Often someone will have something like athlete's foot, which is a fungal skin infection, and this can easily migrate into the nail matrix. Once in the nail matrix, it harbours in the deep matrix of the nail and stops it from actually growing out. Over a period of time, this will remain in the matrix if untreated. Conventional treatment for this is to actually remove a surface of the nail. So this is often grinding down using an emery board or a file. A lacquer is then used, which is of antifungal base, which would be needed to be painted on for several months. Unfortunately, a nail can take 24 months to grow from start to finish. Due to this longevity, a lot of the topical antifungal agents patients don't like to continue using. They often find the unsightliness of the nail means that they need to cover it with some form of nail polish. Unfortunately, this nail polish stops the moisture from getting in, and also it makes the fungus grow even more. So in fact, it makes it worse than it can be. So the product we're talking about today works differently to the ones that are available commercially. And the main difference is penetration. Here is something that you can use on the nail which will penetrate deeply into the matrix. Unlike the other products available, you do not have to remove the surface of the nail to do so. So no filing is involved. It's able, when it's down in the matrix, to change the pH of the area, which will allow to kill the fungus. What also is convenient is there is a layer, a breathable layer applied of colour to the top of the nail, which means you can actually show your feet off every day without having to worry about what's happening with the treatment of the fungus below.
Products in the Warty range include Warty Cool, which is at-home cryotherapy, Warty Advanced, an extra strong Warty product with a conductive gel to heighten freezing performance, and Warty Liquid, the ideal treatment for kids.
The product we're going to talk about today is comparable to a professional freezing technology. It is something that can be carried out at home and can be used to treat verrucas and warts. When kids go back to school, that's the most prevalent time for them to get warts and verrucas as they enter a community where the wart virus is in its element. They will affect each other within a group or in a class, and they will continue to spread. The product comes in 2 forms. One is a cryotherapy technology, the other is a liquid, something for everyone.